Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades.
Alex here with Snapchat head of earnings. This is going to be a party, my friends. You have here the investment process since IPO with the downgrade to junk, the crash, and only at $5 I said that Snapchat would be a strong buy, and I did it ahead of everyone else. And later on, and by the way, I made the public a forecast that the stock would triple in 2019. And then later on, Wall Street came with the upgrades to $20, $22, and so on. This is precisely what you want, because this is going to be a party pretty much like you are seeing in the case of Morocco, where the share price collapses. The higher it goes, Snapchat, the better it is, because the more it will crash. So I'm warning you, because you should not have a long position in Snapchat. You should get rid of the share price or your shares if you still maintain a long position. Bear in mind that a few days ago we called here this bottom at $14.60 because of the existing channel. So this is extraordinarily simple, my friends. Extraordinarily simple to trade this stock. Having said this, I have here, you can see it here, a remark. The Goldman Sachs upgraded shares of Snapchat on the day that the stock was trading at $18. This is seen as very bearish, okay? Very bearish. Goldman Sachs, this is seen as very bearish, okay? Because I already explained it. So, other thing that you have to see here is that everyone is long this stock, okay? Everyone bought shares of Snapchat. So the only alternative was to cover the short and to go long. No one believed in. I'm referring to the American suckers that this would rally so much. So they lost all their money believing in Wall Street with price targets $35 all the way down to 5. And then after they collapsed, we upgrade to strong buy. And obviously this is the work of a genius, all these recorded live. So this upgrade to strong buy by Goldman Sachs at $18 is seen as very bearish, okay? Once this channel fails, you do not know how much the share price can fall, okay? Because this stock, this company, in fact, is widely speculative, okay? So once this, by the way, to sell short this stock, you have to do it always above the blue line and not near or below the blue line. Having said this, of course, I'm bearish this stock. It does not matter how much it's going to rally. I'm bearish ahead of the collapse, okay? Because I told you to buy at $5. I didn't tell you to buy at 17, 15, or 18 or higher. Well, and with this, I terminate. I think that I've been very explicit and I don't make any further comments. Thank you.